everyone, welcome back to my channel. Apple and pork soup is a traditional Cantonese soup that I often make. I like it because it's good for the spleen and stomach, and it's light, sweet, sour, and delicious. Many people will wonder why apples should be cooked if they are not eaten raw. Let's count the benefits of eating cooked apples. First, from the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, all raw and cold foods are not good for the spleen and stomach. Cooked apples have the effects of moistening the lungs and promoting body fluid, nourishing the spleen and appetizing, sobering up alcohol. Secondly, in cooked apples, the dietary fiber pectin is softened. They are more easily utilized by the human body. Cooked apples are more suitable for people who are bedridden, have imperfect oral teeth, or poor gastrointestinal function. They can reduce chewing and reduce irritation to the gastrointestinal tract. This soup is easy to make. Let's get started. Prepare 1 apple, about 210 grams. Washed. Cut it. Remove the core and cut it into pieces. Set aside. 1 part lean pork, about 90 grams, cut into pieces. Cantonese people generally add fresh animal ingredients to soups in order to replenish the nutrients lost by the body in hot weather. Today's soup uses lean pork. Compared with pork belly or ribs, this soup will not be greasy. Also need 5 grams of wolfberry. Boil a pot of water. Blanch the lean pork. This is a necessary step to remove blood and impurities. Fish out. Prepare a soup pot. Add apples, blanched pork, wolfberry. Pour 1,500 milliliters of water into the pot. Cover and cook on low heat for an hour. Then turn off the heat. Delicious and healthy apple pork soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.